Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress in the Ubuntu 2020. So I already have installed the PHP version 7.4 and also I have the MySQL the 8. So first of all I am just going to my HTML folder and I just find the WordPress download link. And I download the latest version of the WordPress. Oh, it's need the permission. So okay, so now we can try with the wget. Yeah, it's starting downloaded. Yeah, download complete. So I check with the latest and I just unzip the latest.zip. Okay, so I have the WordPress, and so again I just going to permission my folder WordPress. I give the 777 for the creating the file. After that I will change that. So localhost and then WordPress folder. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so I will just open that my PHP my admin. Previous test db I just sent to the test db. Admin password yeah, perfect. Just demo email you can put on your email. So I don't want to search engine. I just copy to that password. Okay, so I hope my WordPress was installed already. Yeah, perfect. So you can see that how to install and also the admin. Oh my god. Yeah, that's perfect. Here is my admin and also the website, so we can check also that my testdb have some files WordPress. Thanks for watching my channel.